In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over into your HubSpot global home, click on CRM, and click on Contacts. From this page, you can see all of the things or all of the contacts that you currently have. So with this, you can actually edit these columns as well as select the contacts that you want and then edit them in bulk. Like for example, you can assign them, share them, as well as add them or enroll in sequence, and the likes. So to create the list, you can head over and click onto the search bar and search right here for list. From in there, you can see the segments or lists that you have available. Now into this segment, proceed to click onto this create segment. Then just choose right here the segment filters as well as the segment limits that's been used. You can choose a segment of contacts and after that click on next in order to create those lists. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.